I have this cutout pumpkin. I got it in a pack from the Dollar Tree. And then I have these peel and stick vinyls. They were $3 and came with 3 different colors. I took the metallic green and I flipped it over and I traced the pumpkin cutout. And then I cut out the traced pumpkin. Once I had the pumpkin fully cut out, I took another pack of the peel and stick vinyl that I got from Target. It came with 2 sayings for $3. It says, "Fall is my favorite harvest," and then "Give thanks with a grateful heart." And I'm going to be using the "Give thanks with a grateful heart," and I'm going to put this on my pumpkin. So I'm going to take some contact paper, and I ordered this off of Amazon. It works well with any type of the vinyl. And you just peel it off, and with the gridded side up, I placed it on with a grateful heart. And then I peeled it off so that it was sticking to the contact paper. And then I took that saying and I put it in the center of the pumpkin. And then I removed the contact paper. I took the same piece of contact paper and just rubbed it over "Give thanks." And then I peeled that. And as you can see, it then lifts and sticks to the contact paper so the sticky side can then be placed on your project. I put that aside and I got this floating frame from Christmas Tree Shop. I believe it was $4.99. And it comes with 2 pieces of glass. And I removed the back one, leaving the front glass in the front. And I know it's hard to see here, but I wanted the glass to be on the measuring mat so I can know where to place my pumpkin. So then I just peeled the backing off of the pumpkin and I placed that in the center of my glass frame. And I just rubbed it down. And if you get a little bubbling, you can just lift it up a little and rub them out. You can always use something flat like a credit card. I then took the contact paper that had the "Give thanks" and I placed that in the top left corner. So you can see we have "Give thanks with a grateful." And then I'm going to take my contact paper and put the heart in the bottom right corner. Now that I have all the vinyl placed, I'm then going to take this small raffia bow that was already pre-made, and I'm actually going to take out a couple strands of the raffia to make it a little thinner. So then I just put it back into my own bow. And I'm going to glue it onto the stem of the pumpkin. Then I'm going to flip it over and put everything back into the frame. Next, I have this pumpkin spray. I got this from Dollar General for $1, and I cut the pumpkin off, and I'm going to rearrange the stem so that the feathers are coming down from the pumpkin. And then I'm going to glue that to the top right corner of my frame. I'm just going to be using some hot glue, but you can also use some E6000 to adhere it. And then I'm just going to glue the feathers off to the side so it doesn't cover up the word heart. Now you can leave it just like this if you wanted to, but I decided to remove the border of the frame, and I had some of this lace laying around. I believe I got it from Hobby Lobby. And what I'm going to do here is just glue the lace to the back of the bordered frame. I'm going to attach it using some hot glue, and I moved it over to this mat so I could try to get the lace straight, because I'll be needing 2 pieces as one piece doesn't cover the entire back. So then I just took my second piece and glued it to the bottom half. And I just thought this was a fun way to just dress up the back of the frame. And once I had that all adhered, I then just cut around the outside and cut off any extra lace. And then I placed that back into the frame. And that's it. Now we just have this wall hanging that says "Give thanks with a grateful heart." Guys, thank you so much for watching. Paint products can be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you can check out some other tutorials over on our YouTube or our webpage. Have a great day.